You get one specialized person that can actually do quite a lot of things. And because of this, they're incredibly flexible. They can do your simple data analysis, but then they can also build you complicated models and then deploy them to make sure that your business thrives as much as it can. So my name is Max Dabrowny and I'm a consultant at Kubrick. I've been on site for about 7 months now, and the projects I work on have been predominantly forecasting any kind of metric that we need for the business. So whether it is the number of calls customers make to the company, or whether it's a customer's balance, the propensity to stay or leave the bank, so anything to do with like forecasting that. And I guess a good example of that is the chats and calls propensity model that we call it, and it's about how likely they are to call us in London, but we want to extend that to other call centers that we might have in the UK. The impact of something like this is that then you're not throwing away money at a problem and hoping it solves it. You know exactly roughly how many people you need to employ or how much money you need to spend training people, so that the demand for that call center, for example, is fully realized and you're not wasting any resources. And for example, for our balance predictions, or whether a customer is likely to churn or not, then you know which customers will churn, and you can save money by trying to keep them to stay rather than trying to keep a customer to stay that is already planning to stay. As part of my team, we specialize mostly within data science, so we want to do anything to do with data. So whether we want to clean it or collect it, or we want to analyze it, so we want to make predictions for our business, but we also want to build internalized tools to make things faster, not only for us, but for other parts of the business as well. On top of our daily activities, we also do research activities, which are trying to find new and improved ways of doing what we're already doing. If like, a stakeholder comes to us and says, hey, I'm thinking of building this product, is it viable? Can you prove to me that this is something we should invest time into? I'll see if I can make a reasonable prediction, and if we can, then hopefully this product will then be deployed to the customer themselves. I think machine learning is really successful because you can then play with lots of scenarios that you wouldn't be able to do normally. With machine learning, you can test them out in like a virtual environment and see if you change your parameters of your campaign, whether that's going to increase or actually decrease your business value. So some ways that it can add value is then you'll get insights into how your customers would behave if you were to launch this project. So you'd know, hey, if I launch this with these incentives, how would this affect customers that are already part of our bank, or how would it affect customers that are not? And then you can make a really informed decision, like, is this something that I actually want to launch, or would it be better to wait a little bit till we have a better environment to launch this in? I think companies can definitely benefit from machine learning. There is so much that we can do and so much insights that we can give into your data that we're kind of invaluable in a way. Your data holds so much potential that us humans just can't visually see